Okay. Today's Dollar Tree haul. It's gonna blow you away because it's blowing me away. But I'm home. I'm back in Texas. I'm back home. Woo! My heart is beating so hard right now. Yeah, I know. Me, like I know, I'm freaking out too. I'm gonna have to do very little editing because I only have my laptop with me and it doesn't have the editing software I'm used to using. But so there's awkward silence is gonna have to live here. But yeah, so I'm back home and I feel some type of way. And I was thinking last night that it had been like 6 months, but it's been 9 months. 9 months since I moved to Florida, and I have not been back home till now. Like, I'm looking at all the shops I used to go to, and I'm just like, huh? I don't even know how to feel. But today's haul is going to be a back home Texas Dollar Tree haul. I went to one of my OG stores, like, been going to the store for such a long time. Of course, I am going back to Florida in a couple of days, so I can't like do these major hauls, you know, because I can't like fit it all into my luggage. So I'll just show you what I got at this one store. And yeah, I feel like I want to elaborate so much more, but there's going to be a video tomorrow explaining my trip, so stay tuned for that. But today I just wanted to do a Texas haul. I'm back home haul. Like, but it was so hard. It was so hard walking into this store and not being able to just like get a bunch of new things and show you guys. But let me just show you what I did pick up, what I feel like can easily go into my luggage with the space that I have. I don't know why I just didn't think about it. I probably should have just kind of like left a little bit more space for this, but I didn't think about it. So like the first thing is this decor sign. I have not seen this in my Florida store and it is gorgeous. I love the burlap detail, and then the color palette on this is literal perfection for me. It doesn't look cheap. It looks so good. Like I could pick this up at Hobby Lobby and TJ Maxx, and that's why when I think of $1.25 and I see stuff like this is what I want. I want to be able to feel like I got such a great steal, but I also want it to, you know, be high end on the Hobby Lobby TJ Maxx train kind of thing. So this is super cute. I love how it has like 25 cents. The carrot patch says organic. Very cute. So I was like, I'm not leaving this store without that. So it's flat. It'll go in my luggage. Okay. Next up, I picked up, let's see, what do I go with next? I picked up this large embossing. I haven't seen this at my stores either. And you guys know I love these things from the Teaching Tree section. I love crafting and journaling, junk journaling with them. So I had to get a pack of these. You get 10 with these. Then I also picked up the little sea turtle. I have like a bunch of themes getting geared up for my Etsy shop, which by the way, my strawberry fields and my sunshine kits are going to get released in a couple of days, so stay tuned. They're super limited. I just want to give you guys an update because I thought I was going to release them March 1st, but then I kind of like planned this trip at the last minute, so I'm just pushing it back a couple days. But I want to do like a really cute like seaside theme, so I saw the turtle, decided to get it. Then I got this LA Colors lip oil. Have I hauled this? I probably have, but I don't remember it for some reason. They have a bunch of flavors. I only got one. I got strawberry. So I'm going to go ahead and open it now. And we're going to try it. I'm going to go ahead and stop the camera because, I don't know. It's just easier to import like smaller files at a time than like large. And I was already at 4 minutes. Okay, let's see. This reminds me of like lip gloss when I was a child. but in a better way. It doesn't feel cheap. It definitely has that lip oil. It's a dream. This lip oil is so good. It doesn't feel sticky. It tastes good. Yeah, I recommend 10 out of 10. I mean, I don't know how it will wear, you know, but like, there you have it. Okay, then I picked up some stickers. I saw my little circus stickers and I just wanted to get them again. I'm obsessed with these little circus stickers and I am going to be doing a circus theme, so I just had to get more of them. Here they are. Like the best stickers right now in my opinion at Dollar Tree. Like this little elephant takes me out in the tent. Absolutely adorable. Even the clown is super cute. But then I found this one. I have yet to see this one, so I don't know if it's new or not, but it is absolutely darling. Like all the little puppies with their little outfits on, like he's in a bumblebee costume. And this little cute poodle, I don't know why, but I feel like when I look at her, she lives in Boston. Do you? So had to get that. Okay, then I found this and I'm so excited about it. Okay, this is I know not like the best view. This is a wall decal, but you guys know like I will use these for my own like junk journaling, all that stuff. They have a really good sticker adhesive to them, so they touch paper really well. But the little train and the cabooses are so cute. Like I had to get it. And I figure like this could be cute with like my circus theme junk journal that I'm gonna do. So I got that. All right, this item is just gonna be a donate, but I could not walk out of the store without, actually there's a donation place right there, so I'm probably gonna stop by and drop this one off. But I could not leave the store without you guys seeing this, because if I had a personal use for this, I would be using it immediately, but I don't. Okay, factory's closed, but this is a Mickey Mouse milestone belly sticker. I guess you put it on the baby, and here are all the stickers that you get. That is so cute. I don't know that I've ever seen milestone stickers at Dollar Tree, so there's that. But like, yeah, does it go all the way to 12? Oh no, I am 1. That's cute. I love that. So look how cute the stickers are. Yeah, they're all like in this pack, but so I want to show you guys that. Next up, I picked up some candy. Now I picked this one up in particular because this is the 4D gummy blocks, but what surprised me about this is that they're doing it in Easter version. I've seen it kind of like in a regular version and I think a Christmas version, but so it's kind of interesting to me that they're now like doing other holidays and seasons, and I think that's really cute. And you can actually like build little pieces. That's gonna look cute in an Easter basket. Okay, now the next candy that I got was this. First of all, I'm not a fan of the cowtails, like the original. I think it's absolutely disgusting, but I have to say this packaging is the cutest candy packaging I've ever seen. Strawberries just get me, and I am going to try this on camera right now, tell you guys what I think. This is a strawberry smoothie, but even if the candy tastes gross, I'm going to keep this packaging because I'm going to junk journal with this in some format because it's so cute. So I need to like be careful, but I'm at another 4 minutes, so I'm going to stop and start again. Okay, how do I, there we go. I don't want to like ruin it. All right, I can smell it. Here's what it looks like. It's really cute packaging. Like if you have a lot of Easter baskets or Easter eggs to fill, these bend, so you could do that. There's quite a bit in here, so and they're individually wrapped. All right, let's go ahead and try this. I don't have high hopes, I'm telling you right now. It changed. It went from vomit to not bad. I don't know. do I hate it? I'm pretty sure I hate it, but there's like, I don't know. I think I hate it. I don't know what made me like keep going, but you know what? You try it. You let me know. Okay. Then I picked up some razors just for the trip, and I actually decided to get another one of these, but this is in the color medium. So I've been getting dark brown. I'm not wearing it today. I'm not wearing any makeup, but I wanted to get medium because I wanted to kind of like use it in combination with the dark brown. I actually love the color dark brown. I think it's the perfect color. I'm just kind of like wondering if maybe I need to try the medium and see like what difference I'm getting, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna give this one a try. Oh, also I had to pick up some Twix. I've been on like a Twix kick lately. Do you guys do that? Do you just like start eating a specific candy all the time? I feel like I'm having a Twix moment for sure. And I just got 2, maybe one for my hotel and one for my airplane ride, you know, back home. So I got those. Then I picked up these Crafter Square little craft dots. They have them in the squares and in the circles. So I don't know. I just decided to get. Then the very last things are these jumbo glitters. If you love junk journaling with me, get these because I will be using these to make shaker cards. So we've got the beautiful fuchsia, the silver, gold. I mean, look how chunky and huge that glitter is. This is what I feel like has been missing at my Dollar Trees. I don't know, maybe this has been around in Dallas and at your stores, but I have not seen these in Florida. So to me, they're new and they are absolutely amazing. I was not going to walk out without these. I feel like they're, you know, they'll easily slip into little spots in my luggage to bring back home. So I had to get those. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That's the haul. I know I had to keep it small, but I think I'll probably do another haul. I'm not entirely sure at this point, but there will be another video tomorrow. I'll be talking about why I'm here, and so stay tuned, hit the bell, because YouTube will notify you as soon as my videos, like the moment they post, you get a notification. So and don't forget to subscribe too. But that's it. I'm gonna zip around town. Like, I'm gonna zippity doo dah. There used to be a Tuesday morning over there, but now it's a pop shelf, which I've never been to a pop shelf. I've heard about it, so I'm probably gonna go walk in there. But that I will vlog and will be part of my vlog channel. So if you kind of just need to see me behind the scenes and outside from this setting and just like an everyday life perspective, that's happening over on my vlog channel, which is CraftyGirl Vlogs. It's always linked down below for you as well. And also don't forget, I have playlists upon playlists. If you're new here, I have been doing videos for over 10 years here. So I'm very meticulous about like every single video that I post for you guys also goes into a specific playlist. That way, if you have like a certain, you know, thing you want to watch from me, whether it's like Valentine's Day or Christmas or Halloween or I even have like a 4th of July or an Amazon playlist and a whole Dollar Tree DIY playlist. So definitely go to my main channel and you can click on the playlist and find the one that you want. But I'm back home. It feels so good to be home. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Come back tomorrow for why I'm home. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.